Hello, welcome to Young Inventors. Today's episode promises to be as exciting and informative as ever. In this episode, we'll bring you more project entries by individual children and young adults, as well as group presentations. My name is Treasure Abassi and I am your host. Before we go into the project presentations proper, let me bring you the highlights. You get to see such entries as the hybrid electricity power generator, the electric sealing machine, the sensitive vigilant shadow alarm system and more. Another one of our partners at the Expo 2010 also featured its soybean milk product to complete the package.
My name is Fatima F. Mahmoud.
My name is Hassana Alifa from Mariam Babangida Girls Science College, Mina, Niger State.
My name is Chinazom Ezomuna. I'm from Brightway College, North Makurdi, Benue State.
My name is Akindele Luadamilola from Christ Gardiner School, Ado Ekiti.
Okay, let's take off with the hybrid electricity power generator, which is calibrated to trigger itself automatically in tune with another power source when one goes off. It's a project entry presented in the senior category from NTA Enugu State.
My name is Kingsley Ndwaguba C. from Government Technical College, Enugu State, representing NTA Enugu Zonal Station. And here with me is hybrid electricity power Guarantor, and it derives its name from its main functions, which are it guarantees the source of power, four sources of power. It guarantees, it controls all of them, and guarantee you that there must be light whenever any one of them goes off. So here are the main inputs. Okay. The main one inside there is the inverter, which is down there. They can see some of the MOSFET, the components used in building it. So here are relays. Here is a metal diode for charging the battery, and here is a step-up transformer. Here is a fan to cool the system, and here is some of other relays. And this battery stores electrical charge. It's that charge inside the battery, and when you need to use the battery, then you can now switch on their inverter. It convert the chemical charge inside electrical charge stored in form of chemical. You convert it to electrical charge, electrical current. Then it will now convert it. Formerly, this is a direct current. DC. Then the inverter will now invert it, transform it from the direct current to AC current. Then it can have the ability to use and power all your house appliances. As I said, this is a hybrid system.
Let's see what you are showing us.
Okay. And it controls. This is the NEPA, source from the NEPA, and it's source from the. This is source from generator, and it's source from the NEPA, and this is source from the inverter, and also control the source from the solar. We have the four sources of power. It controls here. The generator is on now. Okay. Can now on your system.
Okay, so what are you going to do again now?
And also, you can use that generator to charge your battery.
Okay.
That means switching on this one, or you can even leave it. It has automatic charger that charges when you are not around. You can even put off your inverter circuits to protect it from being used when you are not around.
Look at the camera.
To protect the stored energy from being used, you can switch it off or switch it on. If you are around, if you are available, or if you are around in your house, you switch the inverter on so that it will work automatically with the system. But if you are not around, you switch off. It can only be charging, but the power system will not be on. So the power system will not be on. And now, for the control of the generator, when NEPA comes on, that means this one. Now, this is NEPA. I will now on the NEPA. Where generator is already working. Now NEPA is now on. can now off the generator from here. It can now control the generator automatically, off it inside their building or inside their compound automatically, without you going over to the backyard or going over elsewhere without off the generator. I will only control the generator one and then switch over automatically to the NEPA. The uniqueness of this project is that it works automatically. That's the number one. And number two, it does not make noise, does not sound.
But when your generator is on,
it's making noise there.
But when there is no generator,
when there is no generator, this one does not make noise. Okay. So
it's also an inverter.
It's also an inverter.
And
also it controls the solar system. It controls all of them, all the forces of all the sources of power.
From NTA Abeokuta, Ogun State, comes this electricity sealing machine in the junior category.
My name is Jinodi Naimot. I come from Ogun State, from Abeokuta. The name of my project is the electric polythene on nylon sealing machine. Under this project, we have some components, which are the transformer, the regulator, the power input switch, and the elements. The transformer is used to step up or step down the voltage, while the regulator is used to regulate the amount of current in the transformer, and the power input switch is used to on and off the machine when you use and when not in use. So this element is the one that seal, is the sealer. So the reason why I put this thing on it is that so that it will prevent the person that is sealing the nylon from danger.
Okay, so why did you do what this? Is it because what is the difference between this and the industrial one that is used by people who are using it?
The difference is that one, they import it into here, but this one you can easily make it your own and do it.
And it will work effectively,
yes,
like the imported one. Okay, let's see how it operates.
Again, from NTA Enugu in Enugu State comes the sensitive vigilance shadow alarm system in the senior category. It's a creation of Onu Arinze.
My name is Onu Arinze. I'm from Enugu State. What I'm having here is sensitive vigilant alarm. So how it works? Assuming now somebody is coming beside here, there is some light dependence resistor. It will click on the relay inside and it will start alerting. Also, if the person feel less concerned about the alarm, immediately he's entering inside the house, immediately he opens the door, it will also start alerting. I'm opening it. Here is my components. Here is the light dependence resistor. Here is the light dependence resistor. It is the component that detects and click the relay for it to activate the alarm signal. And here is the amplifier stage. it amplify the signal for it to be louder. Here is for the door. When you opens the door, it will start up alerting.
Okay, basically, what are the components you have here in terms of what you used together to get what you have there? What are the components?
I use the IC, the relay. Here is the electrification for AC. Here is the battery. Even there is no AC, the battery will be working as direct current for it. The reason I did it is that we have no security man. Yeah, we have no security man, and again we are having problem with armed robbers. That's the reason why I come up with this security.
Not necessarily a project entry in the science and technology category. This cushioned bedsheet is a group effort by the duo of Fatima Mohammed and Aminab Ibrahim Hassan in the senior category from NTA Kano State.
My name is Fatima Mohammed from Kano State. The school I am is Girls Science and Technical College.
What is the title of your project?
Patchwork quilt.
Oh yeah, let's see. Show it to us. Well, what is it you want to show us by this bedsheet? What is unique? What is specific about it?
I want to show the importance of patchwork quilt. This is bedspread. First, pillowcase. This is pillowcase. The inches of the pillowcase are written as this below. We need to prepare this number 1, 10 yards, plain yards, fabric that we use to produce the bedspread. That is patchwork quilt. The second is 2 sheets of quarter form. Third one is dressmaker carbon paper that we use to put in inches to bring out the. Then the second one is, the third one is the fourth, embroidery tray that we use to prepare the floral design. The fifth one is gum stay. The gum stay we use to plant the paper on the table to drop it down. The sixth one is matching tray that we use to sew the fabric. The sixth one is brown paper that we use to drop it out. The seventh one is, the eighth one is ruler that we use to measure it. The ninth one is pencil that we use to mark it out.
Okay.
I want people to know that the importance of bedspread. The importance of this bedspread is that we use a foam inside so that a person could have a good sound of sleep in his bed. Each and every person needs to lie down in a good bedspread to have a good sound. So in this, our bedspread, we have a foam inside so that it will be smooth in touch.
A locally made fire extinguisher is an active fire protection device used to control small fire, often in emergency situations. It is not made to be used in a big fire that cannot be controlled, such as one that has reached the ceiling. This type of extinguisher is called stored pressure fire extinguisher. The exhalant is stored in the same chamber as the fire-fighting agent itself. Materials used are strong sheet of pan, connecting pipes and iron clips, nozzle and extension pipe, 1 foot length of rod, cork or cover, water, omo and carbide. The production method are strong sheet of pan. Fix a strong sheet of pan in cylindrical form. Cut to circular shape to cover the two ends of the cylindrical shape. Attach connecting pipes and iron clips. Fix a nozzle and extension pipe using the 1 foot length of rope to create a handle for carrying it. Create a hole for refueling. Fill the cylindrical container with thick foamy mixture of water and omo. Finally, drop some small pebbles of carbide to exert pressure. Cover the hole made for refilling. It is ready for use.
Why did you do this? What do you say your reason for doing a fire extinguisher?
I produce fire extinguisher to help who are in rural areas to quench starting point of emergency fire.
Okay. Now, have you seen a fire extinguisher before yourself? Have you found out the industrial one? Have you found out how they make it? Or how did you come about these components? How did you come about using omo and carbide and water?
I got the ideas of this project in an old woman in a village who used water and omo to quench fire, an internet search, and a roadside welder man in a Kwali junction who used carbide to exert pressure on his welding work.
So what is the place of pressure in quenching fire? Since you went on the internet, why do you need pressure to quench fire?
Without the explant, the water and omo cannot come outside, cannot come out.
Okay, is the carbide that
help to bring out the pressure, the water out from the cylinder. This is a omo.
In water.
In water.
You mix it properly.
To bring out the foam. I'll take a funnel and put it inside the cylinder and pour the water.
So what next?
I will take the cover and take some small pebbles of carbide to pour it inside the cylinder. This is a carbide. The chemical helps to exert the pressure.
Show it. So you have a fire extinguisher now?
Yes.
So as it is, you should just put off any fire?
Yes.
Okay, can we test it with fire now?
Yes.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
I'm going to make fire to show the example. This is kerosene.
Okay.
I'll pour it into the fire.
Okay, it's enough.
This is matches. It is ready for use.
Okay.
This is how it works.
Thank you very much.
Soybeans and its derivatives are credited as veritable protein source, good for young brains. That essentially is what this company has brought as one of our numerous exhibitors at the Expo 2010.
Sell what you have. What is it?
Soya Plus is a protein powder. It's good for everybody. to your award-winning mathematics quiz program. What is the value of minus 4x minus 2x?
Minus 6x.
That's correct.
Yes, you're looking good.
How are you?
Hello and welcome to Take a Step. Now, this is the show where we test intelligence and the wit of our students.
Hello and welcome to Young Inventors. Well, on that note, we end today's presentation. Let's do it again next week, same time, same station. And until then, it's bye for now.